Happy Valentine's Day. Have a nice day. Alright.
Okay, guys, so I got these roses here, and I think I'm gonna go out and try to make some person's day today. I mean, today is Valentine's Day, February 14th. I mean, I ain't got no Valentine, but that doesn't mean I can't make somebody feel special today, right? So, I think I'm gonna go out and give these away to some beautiful young ladies. Yeah, if you like the fact that I'm doing this, go ahead, press the like button. Give me some motivation to continue these good deeds.
Valentine's Day back. Yeah. So where's my balloon? You can't get one? I was gonna give you a rose if you gave me one though.
Gotcha.
Alright, here you go. Happy day to you, no problem. Yes sir. Morning. Finance. Right. And a happy Valentine's Day to you, ma'am. Here you go. Me know say him nah do nothing, so me have to do something. Yo, go on, move.
Run.
Yeah, the man. Yo. Well, go on. Not today. It's unbelievable, don't? I'm from Kingston. Yeah. I do. I pass through very often. You hear the accent? Yeah. So you're alright though? Alright, cool. Take it easy. Just like that was not the right approach. Yo, she was like, what the frick? What's going on? Why are you giving me a rose? What is this for? What kind of crazy though? She was. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. That was hysterical. That was hysterical, dog. That was hysterical. She was not having it. I didn't even catch the early part on camera, bro. Oh, this car's turning too. Ooh, you know a taxi driver? Oh, wow. You don't see that very often. Man, it's really. Holy shit. Somebody send me for now, you know. The one I picked, they send me for. Oh shit! Oh shit! You didn't get it out? Happy Valentine's Day! Have a nice day! Alright? So which one of you lovely ladies are is coming with me? Which one of you guys are coming with me? Which one of you guys are coming with me? I got 2 roses. Okay, just take it. Just take it. Have a wonderful day. you go. Ah, that was crazy. That was so crazy. Ah! Ah! That was so cringy! Oh my god! Oh my god, bro, like... Oh my god! Half price, you know. Half price to go down the road. You sure? Or so you buck up on somebody out there? You sure? So make you not come. What make you wouldn't come? You don't like bike? Why? What them do? Can this change your mind? Come get it. Come on. Just take it. Just take it. Take it from a stranger. You'll remember me and you might start liking bikes after. Hmm? No in there. me not stay them way, man. Have a good day, yeah? She was like, what ain't you, doo-doo? What the frick do they doing on that, dog?